All right, here we are. We're at Disneyland. Now, which park are we gonna go to? We're gonna go that one. We're gonna go that one. I think we're gonna go California Adventure. Yeah, let's do this. Let's go try this thing. That's scary, I think. Maybe? Let's go try. Yeah. Well, that looked interesting. Nice window. I like that. That was cool. A glimpse into the future. Oh, go.
Attention visitors, for your safety while motoring through monstrosity. Please keep your hands or
Stay here.
and take the inside the taxi and we help to supervise your vehicle. Thank you.
All good? All good. So if you had drove your scooter in here, that with accessibility, you the scooter would go over there. But because you don't need it.
We're in the back.
Yeah, we're in the back. All right, Mom.
All these, please. Have fun.
Woohoo! Let's go. Did it squash you?
No, I'm good.
Hello. If you are new to the area, the Monstopolis Tour Cars would like to welcome you.
We have a green light.
While you're in town, be sure to
We conduct this program for a special report. A child is on the loose in Monstropolis.
Oh, child.
A human child.
A human
If witnesses are to be believed, there has been a child security breach for the first time in monster history.
We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight. I tried to run from him, but he picked me up with his mind powers. He took me like a dog.
It's true. I saw the whole thing.
Happy birthday, Smokey Boo!
Oh, goodly bear.
This human child probably with its telepathic control. It made me dance like a chicken. I thought working on my own. Then it grabbed me, giant.
Oh, we gotta get you home.
There's a kid here! A human kid! Oh, look at that! Free monster in the sky!
Not my birthday. Why not you cared about me?
Come on, this way.
We are at the scene, number one.
You got your injunction ready.
Lock it down.
There's nothing down here. Here's the girl they're looking for. We're gonna over there.
Nice. Nothing exciting yet. What happens?
Hurry up, Sulley, hurry up. I've been pulling you a setup on the skiff.
Doing some cool.
Race you to the scare floor.
They'll never find her door now.
There's your door.
We're almost there, kiddo.
Not so fast, Lauren. They'll never get her home now.
Almost there, kiddo.
What did I be?
It's been the most terrifying day of my life.
Okay, kiddo.
Did I hear? Kitty's gotta go now. Sleep tight. status to 992. We can either confirm or deny the presence of a human child. We responded to a
Can't we go to the cinema?
Never saw a human child from Strapolis. It never happened. What are you looking
That was Mike and Sulley to the rescue. We didn't find Lee's, but we're still looking. That was fun.